Yo, my boy Ali is up in here. What's up, dude? Hello everyone, today's gonna be a fun day. We're going to the Detail Garage meet. Well, it's an unofficial meet, but anyway, here's my friend Ali. We have an 09 370Z, and it is really clean. He's gonna stop by eventually, and I'm going to introduce him to the art of paint correction and ceramic coating. Man, that's so cool how 370s come with those gauges up there.
Yeah.
I love that.
I fucking love this car, man.
Yeah, dog. Marco doesn't play games. What's up, man?
It's cool, man.
Hey, you got some tire shine I can use? I took it off.
Oh, the one day I needed.
I know. Haven't used these in a long time. So let's turn them on, make sure they're all on the right channel. Hey, can you hear me?
Yeah, can you hear me?
So, guys, this is Ali's first car meet. Is this your first car meet ever?
Yeah, first car meet ever.
You've never been to a car meet before?
Not at all.
We got stuck at the light, Marco. Oh, damn. Dude, the police have this on 100% lockdown. Wonder what happened. Maybe there was an accident last month? I don't know. All right, so I just walked up to one of the cops and I asked him, like, hey, is there something that happened last month to make it so that, you know, you guys have to have this on lockdown? And he said Coca-Cola complained that, is that a Coca-Cola, like? Oh yeah, it is. It looks like it's probably a distribution center. Coca-Cola said that people were leaving a lot of trash in the parking lots, and they didn't like that. But Detail Garage is working with Coca-Cola to get the whole thing back up online to be like an official event again. Ladies and gentlemen, I got a couple products that I'll try out in this video. This one is VRP, vinyl and rubber and plastic, and Marco says this is what he uses for his tires because it's water-based. Oh yeah, he already has it on. We'll put this through the test because tonight I'm gonna wash the car, and we'll be able to try out how well the Car Pro detailer worked. I did the whole front end, so we'll be able to tell how well that repels the water. And then I'll also see how well this tire shine holds up after the wash tonight. But what's really convenient about this is that it comes with, well, this is separate, but you get this applicator block. That way you don't have any overspray on your wheels and your fenders and all type of stuff. Marco and I were kind of brainstorming the other day about, you know, what we could do to my Type R. And of course the Mugen kit is, I actually haven't told you yet. The Mugen kit is coming in on Tuesday. But I was also thinking maybe it would be cool to powder coat these wheels white at some point. I don't know. I never really was a fan of white wheels, but I've been seeing them a lot lately and I really like it. That's right, guys. That is Sergio mowing my freaking lawn right now. I pulled it out because I wanted to show them. And then I showed them the weed whacker too. Do you have fun?
It's actually pretty cool.
Yeah, man.
Wait, bro.
It is. It's nice. It's quiet too.
Now fold it. Fold it? I don't know how to fold it, man. I don't want to.
Like this.
Oh, okay.
You push it down.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, close the clip.
They can stand upright too. Marco's always got to do that. He's always, every time he comes over, he's always going to put it upright. Now, while we're all here and we have Marco, I'm actually going to bring the BRZ to Marco's shop, Caliber Collision, right now. Drop it off so that when the insurance appraiser comes on Monday, I can meet them there. It's already there. They don't have to tow it or anything. Because to my understanding, it still drives good, but let's get on with it. Dude, I can't get over Sergio's little Chevy Spark. Oh shit, that's as far as the window goes down. Where's Vivian? We're here at the shop. We're just waiting on Marco and Ali. Right when I got out, I took a whole bunch of pictures just for, you know, to have before it starts getting worked on. And I was also talking with Sergio, like, I don't know. That's the way to cheer you up. I guess so. Anyway, I just, there's no performance parts out yet, and I don't know how long we're gonna have to wait until, you know, ECU Tech comes out with their piggyback, and then the supercharger turbo kits start rolling out, you know, cold air intakes, all that good stuff. I don't know how long it's gonna be. Love the car. I think it's a fantastic car. And I really want to hold on to it and go all the way through like I've been telling you guys since I bought the car. Supercharger, turbo, whatever I end up doing. It's a tough decision.
What do you guys think he should do? Fix it, hold on to it? Fix it, get rid of it? I don't know, man. I told him that only he can make that decision. He really does love the car though, so let's see what he does.
Thanks, man. Okay, so it's the next morning. Let me show you everything that I got from Chemical Guys yesterday, or Detail Garage. Finally got a dirt trap, so I'm going to try that out right now when I wash the car. I also got this for the interior. Marco says this is really good. Ceramic interior quick detailer, so I can use this on glass and a whole bunch of stuff. You already saw the tire shine. I'm going to see how that holds up after I wash it right now. And first I want to show you guys, this has been on since Wednesday night. This is the CarPro Reload. Very well rated product. So let's see over the course of 4 days how well it sheets. Okay, that's really impressive. That is awesome. You can see the product coming off. It's like a little white stuff there. Wow, look at the beading on the hood. I haven't seen that in a long time. Okay. That's what this should be looking like. The fender is the most exciting thing for me because that always feels so rough. I believe I also put some right back here, so let's try this. That's super nice. Yep, we're in business, ladies and gentlemen. So I can absolutely give the CarPro Reload a 10 out of 10. I mean, that's awesome. Well, actually, I can't really give it a 10 out of 10 because it's only been 5 days. So this is right after I finished rinsing the car. I washed it with the Chemical Guys Hydro Suds car wash. And the beading is still pretty darn good. Looks like it's not doing as good on the fenders, but I'll give that a fat coat after this. But I'm sorry if this is starting to bore you guys, blow drying the car like in every other video. But I really want to see how well the water repels just off the hood. Dude, what? No water spot? Dude, are you serious? Oh my god. Doesn't have any water spots. That's amazing. That's incredible. Okay, it's now 6:10 p.m. You guys are probably gonna see this video around 7:30 Eastern time tonight, but as you can see, I did the whole car. I'll show you that on my phone so you get a better view of it in a little bit, but it did a phenomenal job bringing out the sparkle in the paint. I've been responding to a lot of Instagram messages today, trying to get caught up. There's so many unread messages, but I have this one here that really stands out to me. I would appreciate if you guys could give this guy your advice. Try to help him out in the comments because this is pretty serious and it sucks. Humberto, he said, early last year, I bought a pre-owned 2019 FK8 from a dealership. Last month, the car wouldn't turn on, and I had it towed to them. Turns out it needs a lot of work, including a new engine, totaling to $18,000 in repairs. Dealership said warranty is up, but corporate said previous owner voided it and had a similar issue. You think it's worth getting the repairs? I still owe $20,000 on the car. Dude, that's awful. Yeah, I have no idea off the top of my head like what to do in that situation. I mean, I think most people would have to take out a loan for the repairs. You'd be paying $38,000 total for the car, and it's already, 3 years old. Damn, dude, the previous owner probably beat the piss out of it and then dumped it. So this is what she looks like. I did the whole car. I was wrong earlier. There are some water spots in some places. Also, damn, I got some swirls back here, man. Dude, look how sparkly this is. That's amazing. It honestly hasn't been this sparkly in a while. I also used the CarPro Reload on this trim right here, the piano black trim. And that is just, it's looking phenomenal. Because I always get, I see right there, I always get freaking fingerprints on it. I did all of the glass as well. So I'm excited to see how well that works next time it rains, which is almost every freaking day here in the summer. Didn't clean the wheels too well, but I don't care. Tire shine, the tires are still pretty dark. Now it's time to try this stuff out real quick. I know I'm not the only one who has this problem, but half the time I get out of the car, I seem to scuff my shoe against the door. And it really sucks right there on the speaker because of, it has like all those little holes in it, and that's tough to get out. But I'm gonna do my best right now. Wow, that worked a lot better than I thought. That is ridiculously smooth. I love this product already. Oh my god. That's crazy. I was one of those guys that was kind of skeptical of chemical guys too at first. But now that I have been using the product recently, this stuff is awesome. That product definitely gets a good rating for me. That was awesome. Just the way it felt on the head unit alone, like, dude, amazing. All right, now me and the boys over here are gonna finish editing up the video. I think in the video where I installed the taillights, I told you that my goal for this month was to post 6 videos, which is probably the most I've posted since February. And today is the 6th video I will be posting in July. So I did it. Very proud of myself that I've been getting up off my ass and actually doing something. I think my goal for August is gonna be a wicked 7 videos. I'm gonna try to do 7 videos. These action figures are just ballin', man. I absolutely love collecting Halo action figures. Vivi and I were just playing Halo 3 actually. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen, and also thank you very much for all the support regarding the BRZ. It means a lot to me, and I'll see you probably Wednesday. Have a good night.